Hello everyone, how are you doing? It's the Bristleblower again, and today I've got something really important to talk to you about. The number one thing you probably don't know, which you can do to really improve the health and feeling of your beard. Now this is a bit cheeky because I did talk about this in my last video, but this is so important it's worth a video by itself really. And so you might have guessed that I'm going to be talking about co-washes again. Co-washes. One of the best things you can do for your beard, which most people just haven't really even thought about. And to explain that again, that is basically using conditioner in your beard in the shower instead of washing it with something like a regular shampoo. So why co-wash? Well, basic co-wash can have amazing benefits for your beard, especially if your beard is particularly dry, particularly coarse, just unmanageable, and you find that regular things, even like beard oil and beard balm, just aren't really cutting it for you. Co-washing could really turn your beard health around and just really have a dramatic impact. And the reason people don't do it is simply just because they don't know, they don't think about it. They just think when you're going to go in the shower, you just you pop in some regular shampoo in your beard and you come out and then you perhaps put oil in later, but this is an entirely different way of doing it. But the problem with that, as I mentioned in my last video, is those types of shampoos meant for the hair on your head, and they're too aggressive really for a beard. They strip the natural oils because we don't want our hair to be greasy and oily, whereas really in the beard we want to keep those natural oils to keep our beard soft. So one of the best ways to do that is to ditch those shampoos and use a co-wash. And the benefits of a co-wash, you can use it pretty much every day. I know I do pretty much. I sometimes try and give it a rest when I know I'm not doing anything that day, but otherwise I don't feel any detriment from using it every day. It's just every day my beard feels softer, more manageable, and it's honestly one of the best things that I do for my beard. It really is. It really, really is. And nobody knows about it. It's crazy. So in my last video I sort of talked about it, but I didn't use any examples of products that you can use. I've got two good products here. First up, we have the Eden Bodyworks Natural Cleansing Co-Wash. You can see that on there. Might be a bit mucky because I have used it a lot. This product right here has been the bedrock of my beard routine for some time now. You can see the consistency of that, but it's quite gloopy. It's the best way I'd describe it. And you get loads in this container, 16 ounces, I believe. Yep, 16 ounces. It's only like £20 or something, but this will last you for ages, especially if you're not like me. If you're not like slamming this every day, this is going to last you ages. I found out about this stuff because of George Bruno. If you haven't seen him, check him out. He has one of the greatest beards of all time, especially when he grew it out and he had this massive, I'll put a picture up, it was insane. He's rocking a shorter beard now, still has one of the best beards ever, and his advice is top tier, is incredible. And yeah, he recommended this as a co-wash, and I have to agree with him, it is great, it was really good. Made without sulfates, contains no mineral oils, dyes or parabens, and is cruelty free. Really good. I'll pop a link for that down below in the description. I tend to get mine off Amazon. I think that's the easiest way to get it in the UK, though there are probably other ways though. I'll see what I can find and I'll pop a link down below. But yeah, this is my main that I've been using just because of the value you get, the size of it you get. It lasts ages, and I really like how you can really just slop it on your beard. I really like that. A little seems to go quite a long way. So basically what you do is you hop in the shower, you rinse your beard with water, and then the first thing you do is you pop your conditioner on, and then at the end of the shower when you're done, just rinse it out. You can even leave like a bit of it in there just to continue conditioning you for the rest of the day. And second up, we've got the Beard brand Beard Softener, which is basically their co-wash. I have used their beard softener before a long time ago, but I didn't really know what I was doing back then. So I've bought another one. This is their Temple Smoke beard softener. I do really like that scent, so I thought I'd give it a go, and I've been testing that for the last few days. So yeah, this is another one I'd recommend as well. It does feel really good on the beard. You obviously don't get quite as much as this sort of tub here, and it's always going to be Now, you're not going to get anywhere near as much sort of value for money with this one, because obviously this is a much bigger tub here, but the scent is really good on this, whereas this is kind of just like a natural sort of coconut scent. This is more of a fancy oud Temple Smoke scent. It is sulfate free, paraben free, and silicone free as well, so again it's another really nice product. It doesn't go as far as this one does. Obviously you can see this is a much bigger container, and price wise they're probably, let's have a look. Okay, so I just checked the prices for that just to make sure I've got that right. So I paid £22.95 for this, and this is 100 mils, whereas this on Amazon is currently sitting at £18.49, and that's 473 mils for that. So obviously you're going to get a lot more value in this. So I do recommend, if you can find that. Sometimes it's quite difficult to get in the UK. Amazon seems to be the best place I can find it on. But in terms of value for money, definitely go for this one. But even so, if that's not a problem for you, I do recommend the beard brand Co-Wash. Their Silverline beard washes are a little bit cheaper, so keep that in mind as well. So to summarise, should you be co-washing? Should you be conditioning your beard? Yeah, pretty much, yeah. Unless you have no problem with your beard being dry at all and you find that beard oil and beard balm is fine. But if you even think you have any sort of problem with your beard being dry, nothing's working, please, for love of God, just try Co-Wash. It could absolutely change your beard life. It's ridiculous. It's the best kept secret in the beard world. I think especially here in the UK, I don't really see hardly any, maybe like one or two UK beard-based companies that actually do a conditioner, a Co-Wash. And it's such a shame. I'd really love to see more co-washes here in the UK that are more readily available and for good prices. I see loads of stuff in the US, loads of American companies coming out with great co-washes. I really wish we had some over here, because it's way too expensive to import them to come down here. Way too expensive. So hopefully some of you will take my advice on this and you'll try co-washing. And it'd be really great if you did. Leave some comments down below just to see how it felt. Did it really make a big difference for you? And if you're concerned about your beard not being clean, you can still use a beard wash as well, a special beard shampoo. Beard brand do a good beard wash. It's probably not that hard to find a good beard wash, actually. I'll probably do another video on those. So you can hit the co-wash like 6 out of 7 days a week, and then maybe on the 7th you'll do like a beard wash, just perhaps so make sure the stuff is cleaned out of your beard. But yeah, every other day, you can just keep hitting that conditioner. Boom. Doom, doom, doom. It's such a great primer for the rest of the day. You pop that in first thing, and then when you do get to your beard oil, when you do get to your beard balm, beard routine or whatever, it will just make everything so much smoother. The comb will go straight for your beard, no problem. It's such a great thing to do, and there's no real negatives for it, so I really, 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 really do suggest it. Quick refresher, pop it in when you get in the shower, leave it in when you've done all your bits and stuff, wash it out at the end. You can even leave some of it in so you can keep conditioning through the rest of the day. Thank you very much for watching. I've been the Bristle Blower again. Hopefully you really liked that video and you found out a good tip. I'll catch you later in the week for more beard videos. Thank you very much, and I'll speak to you later. Bye bye.